Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Open call settings and look for any auto end, call timer, or scheduled hang-up toggles and turn them off. Once done, update your phone OS and the dialer app so you aren't chasing fixed bugs. Make sure the phone app is excluded from battery optimization. Otherwise, the system may forcibly kill it mid-call. These steps remove the most common software triggers quickly and prevent power management from ending calls unexpectedly. Next, isolate interfering apps by booting into safe mode so only system apps run. If calls stay connected, a third-party app is the culprit. Once you confirm that, inspect apps installed recently or those with microphone, overlay, or call permissions, and revoke permissions or uninstall them one at a time. Make short test calls after each removal so you can identify the offender. If removing apps fixes it, reinstall only trusted apps. For stubborn cases, reset network settings to clear corrupt carrier configs. This restores dialer connectivity without erasing personal files. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as the last resort. This removes deep system corruption. Finally, test with a different SIM card or another phone to determine whether the carrier or device hardware is at fault. If a carrier issue appears, contact support. Otherwise, consider a hardware repair center for physical faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.